Did you make a list of your New Year's resolutions? Are you starting new habits this year? Wouldn't it be nice if habits could stick just by writing them down? Unfortunately, it's not the case. Writing or starting a new habit like a balanced diet, a regular exercise routine, or a normal sleep schedule is the easiest part. The real challenge is keeping it day after day. So to help you create lasting habits in 2023 and beyond, here are some tips. Number 1, make it clear, and please make it small. First, start by writing down the habit somewhere on a journal, on a sticky notes, and define clearly what is it that you want to start doing. If reading more is your goal, then write down how many pages you want to read per day or per week, when are you going to read, so allocate some time for this activity, and what kind of books you want. So maybe make a wish list or go buy some books, and that way you feel more motivated. And please, don't make the mistake of taking on so much too quickly. Drastic changes to your routine can feel overwhelming, stressful, and most importantly, hard to maintain. So instead, start small, and once you become consistent, you can build on that. Small goals like walking every day for 10 minutes, or replacing one dessert with a fruit, or just waking up half an hour earlier can have great results in the long run. Plus, you stay motivated along the way. Number 2, make it fun and exciting. Having fun can actually boost our productivity, so if you want to get something done, make it enjoyable. When allocating time for your new habit, try to add some fun to the process. By making it pleasurable, your brain will reward you by releasing dopamine, and that way you feel more motivated to do it again. Here are some ways you can do so. Take breaks where you do an activity you enjoy. Add some music you like. Pair the new habit with an existing one that you already enjoy. And finally, share this new habit with a loved one. If your goal is to get in shape, choose a physical activity that you enjoy, where you can meet like-minded people and you can have some fun while working out. Number 3, anticipate roadblocks. In her book, Good Habits, Bad Habits, research psychologist Wendy Wood explained that people tend to form habits based on what's the easiest. So if there is friction between you and a healthy habit, chances are you won't be able to maintain the new behavior. So think about the barriers that can prevent you from achieving your goal, even if they're small, and remove them. The more convenient you make your new habit, the more likely you'll keep it up. Number 4, tell others. It's easy to give up when no one is here to keep you accountable. So to increase the odds you'll stick with the new habit, share it with others or join a group with a similar goal. The feeling that you are part of a community or that there are other people who are somehow involved in the process creates a sense of commitment, which makes it more likely that you're gonna stick with the new habit even when you're losing motivation. Number 5, celebrate and reward yourself. Celebrate your small wins and reward yourself. You can make some motivational deadlines along the way. Maybe if you accomplish a certain goal, or if you stay consistent for an amount of time, then there will be a pleasant reward afterwards. The accomplishment does not have to be so big at first. Just celebrate the small wins. If you went for a walk for 10 days or for 3 weeks, then maybe on the weekend that follow, you can treat yourself to watch a movie at the cinema, or you can do your hair, or you can have a massage, or whatever that you fancy at that time. Be happy and be proud of yourself for keeping this promise, and keep going. Number 6, and finally, let go of perfection. Go easy on yourself. Forming new habits takes time and discipline, and there will be unexpected bumps along the way, which is okay, life happens. If you skip a day or two, don't beat yourself up or just give up. Just forget about it and get back in track. That way you build confidence in your ability to get back to your routine no matter what happens. Because there will be days when you won't be able to keep up all your habits. So just accept that and pick up where you left off. That's all for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's getting a little bit dark here, so I hope it does not affect the image. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye!